Today's topic is a very interesting topic. I shall break down a song for you guys, and that is Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. So let's begin this lesson. I have divided this song in three parts, that is intro, verse and chorus. Already it's sounding beautiful. Hey guys, hope you all are doing really well. My name is Lionel and I'm your keyboard and piano teacher at Music Pandit, the best place to learn music online. So today's topic is a very interesting topic. I shall break down a song for you guys, and that is Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. So let's begin this lesson. Before I start this lesson, I have a small announcement to make, and that is we upload videos every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, press that bell icon so that you don't miss out on important content whatever we upload on this video. It can be an important lesson, it can be a cool tip and trick, or anything. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. With that, let's begin this lesson. So let me play this song for you guys first. So you guys just sit back and enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, I have divided this song in three parts, that is intro, verse and chorus. So let me explain the intro first. You have few chords to play around, that is A minor, C inverted, G, D inverted. So A minor, A, C, E, C chord, that is G, C, E, then G chord, that is G, B, D, and then you have D chord, that is F sharp, A, and D. Okay? But how you need to play it? So you need to follow this rhythm when you're playing these chords, and that is 16 count. So you need to play it like this: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So I'll just put a metronome. I'll use the tempo somewhere around 85. That is the original speed. What you can do is, for you to practice, you can just start with 70 BPM. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple, your intro part for the right hand is done. So when you're playing that in the right hand, you can play this in the left hand. So when you're playing A minor, play A octave as a bass note. When you're playing C, play C octave note as a bass note. Then for G, play G. And for D, you can play this lower, D and D. Okay, so I'll play it again. A minor, C, G, and D. Remember one thing, I will be explaining things a little faster way for this video. But if you want a detailed video of all these things, whatever I'm explaining, please subscribe to Music Pandit because I've explained everything there in detail step by step. So don't forget to subscribe there. So let me continue. A minor with A, C with C bass note, G as well as D. So now if I put the metronome and if I play to it, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can just play whenever the metronome clicks, you can just play according to the metronome. Otherwise, you can just keep it like that. Whatever you are comfortable with, okay? But I would prefer you playing it. So like this, your intro part is done. Let me explain to you the next part. The next part is the verse, and let me explain the melody part first, and then I will explain to you about the chords. I'll play the melody first slowly. You guys listen to it as well as watch the video. Okay, I'll tell you the notes. It's very simple. A, B, C, G, E, D, C, D, C, D, E, D, C, A, B, C, G, E, D, C, D, C, D, E, D, C, A. That's it. Very simple. I'll play that part to the beat or the metronome, but I would prefer beat this time. Okay, I'll keep the tempo 85. Yeah. I'll keep the fill in around C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now that was the right hand part of that song. For the left hand, you have to play the same chords, that is A minor, C, G, and D. But there is a twist here. What you need to do is, instead of these normal chords, you have to use 1-5-1. Now you might be thinking, now what is 1-5-1? For all those details, I'm telling you again, you have to subscribe to Music Pandit. Because all these explanation, you will find it there. What is 1-5-1, what is normal chord, etc. etc. So, for A minor, you're going to use, that is A, E, A. For C, you're going to play C, G, C. For G, you're going to play G, D, G. And for D chord, you're going to play D, A, D. So if I have to explain to you in a simple way, what you're doing here is, you're skipping the second note of the chord. So if it is A minor, you are going to play A, C, E, right? So you have to just skip the second note. Instead of that, add the octave. That will be A, right? So A, E, A. You're skipping the second note of the chord. So, and once you get that, what you have to do is you have to arpeggiate it. So arpeggiate it. Already it's sounding beautiful. Okay, keep on practicing couple of times. So wherever you have to change the chord, you need to just change the 1-5-1 and play it in an arpeggio style. And then mix with the right hand. Okay, so your first verse part is done. Now you guys might be thinking that I have explained this very fast. So if you want a detailed lesson, always you can subscribe to Music Pandit, so you have the detailed lessons there, because I'm telling you in a very fast manner, so most of you may not follow this. Okay, remember this. Now let's go to the next part, that is chorus. Now the next part, that is chorus. So chorus, first the right hand, it follows this way. So if I have to tell you the notes, it's very easy, very simple. A, B, C, E, D, B, C, C, A, D, D, C, E, D, B, C, C, A. That's it. And for the left hand, you have to play the same chord and same 1-5-1 arpeggio, same way. No changes at all. So, but remember, when you're playing this, what you can do is you can skip the first note. Let chord do that work. Let me play the chorus part to the beat and show it to you. This is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you play the song and it's done. It's as simple as that. So like I told you before, if you want the details of this song as well as many more songs, you can please subscribe to my course. Because Music Pandit is not only lessons, you have feedback, you have practice routine, you have quizzes as well as certification and lot more. It is the best way for you to learn music online. So make sure you subscribe to Music Pandit. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit that like button, press that subscribe button, as well as hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on important content, whatever we upload on this channel. With that, this is Chris signing off. See you.